Good day. This video is the steps to block an application in Windows Firewall. Search the Windows Defender Firewall and click the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. In the left panel, click on Outbound Rules to block outgoing traffic and click on Inbound Rules to block incoming traffic. And to create a new rule, in the right panel, click New Rule and select Rule Type. Choose Program and click Next. And browse to locate the executable file of the application you want to block. And click Next. And choose the block the connection and click Next. You can also choose the profile, select when there is domain, private and public. And name the rule block app name outbound. You can also add an optional description if necessary. And click finish. And that's it.